All right. Thank you very much for tuning in to Eric's drone educational tip. And I am voiceovering, and I also have audio that I'll be playing here momentarily from the DJI Smart Controller. But what we're looking at right now is a beautiful rock formation just off of Highway 166 in California between Bakersfield and Santa Maria. This volcanic rock formation, obviously very awesome, and I'm starting to talk about just all kinds of cool stuff about it, my observations while I was actually flying the drone. I'm going to go ahead and stop right here and let you listen to what I say next on the controller.
And I came through here in California and I wanted to hide some buried treasure. I think I would definitely make this a landmark for sure.
Oh, signal lost. And you can see it goes gray, black and white. Now the drone automatically kicks in the AI and it starts its go to home feature. That's one reason why it updates the home point before you start flying. Now with my DJI Air 2S, it has obstacle avoidance built into it, the AI, which is completely worth getting because it's flying on its own. Whoop, now it's getting the signal back. So as you can see, the DJI with its recovery technology is absolutely amazing. And it saved now it's about $1,000 for this model. But hey, if you like my educational tip, I'm going to be doing more. So please subscribe, make sure you set your alerts, and thanks for watching ericsdrone.com.